Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check Hotmail login history. Friends, if you are receiving an email regarding unauthorized login attempt or want to see the details of login devices, place or time, etc., then you simply need to click on the profile icon and here you need to click on my profile. Now in profile you need to click on security. Now you need to verify yourself by entering password. Now in security you need to click on sign in activity. Now here in sign in activities you will find all the devices. Now in my account, as you can see, my last login and one login few days back. Now in my last login attempt on 5th May from United States, this attempt was unsuccessful. So from here you can see all the details like IP address, date, country, etc. of all your login attempts to your Hotmail account. So friends, like this you can very easily check Hotmail login history. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.